Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina, and if you haven't watched any of my videos, then I'll let you know that all of the stuff on here is girly content. I love talking about bags and shoes, so if you're into that kind of thing too, go ahead and subscribe down below. That way you'll get notified of when I have another video. So for today's video, finally, I am talking about the Barbie shoes that I got. I have been holding this from you guys. First, this package was coming in, and I wanted to do them together because they are both Barbie related. And then life just happened, and I had to keep putting this video off. Then I wanted to get my nails done, and now, if you can tell by my voice is a little bit hoarse, I just kind of got over the flu. So now that I can talk a little bit, we're finally going to do this Barbie unboxing. I am so excited for you guys to finally see the Barbie shoes that I got. Now, I know I'm late to the game. These came out in, I think, May or June of 2023. It is now late January 2024. Now, I wanted to get the shoes. They were sold out. They replenished, sold out the same day. They didn't have it in my size. Then they got them again, and I was on vacation and so many things happened, and I was like, you know what? I'm not going to get the shoes. I don't need the shoes. I already have pink shoes. I don't need these shoes. It's fine. It's whatever. And then for Christmas, I got an Aldo gift card, and I was like, an Aldo gift card? Oh, goodness. I'm going to get these shoes. I want these shoes. I still want them. So I'm so happy to finally have them in my collection. Like, you guys, it's for somebody who loves pink. This is like Christmas to me. I am so excited to finally unbox these. But we're going to go ahead and get to this unboxing first because this is Barbie related. So my mom had ordered this for me as a little surprise to go with the shoes. My dad thought it was for my mom because it came in her name, so he had opened it. And they didn't realize what it was. So my dad had packaged it as best as he can. That way I could go ahead and unbox them myself for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and just... He put like scotch tape. My dad is so funny. He put like little scotch tape on the sides to keep it closed. So that way I can have a true unboxing, sort of true unboxing. So this here is from Macy's. This is the Barbie perfume. And when I was looking at the notes on Macy's.com on the website page for this, they said that it was like when I was looking at the notes for this on Macy's.com, they said that this was, well, the reviews said it was like candy, and if they had to imagine what Barbie smelled like, this is definitely it. And it had really good reviews. I think the box and the packaging to this is just so cute. Like, if you remember Barbie's Dream House, you know, when we used to play when we were younger, this kind of looks like a perfume bottle that you would find in Barbie's Dream House. Like, just the geometric shape to it is just like, it's so cute. Let's do a little sniff test. It smells so good. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I can't really tell what it smells like because I do still have the flu. I can't tell you if it's fruity or not, but it definitely smells like something that I would wear. I'm not sure exactly what it is yet. I'm going to write the notes for the perfume right down here. But because I have the flu, I can't really tell, but it does smell really good. I can't tell if it's like more of a candy or like a gardenia but it definitely has like some kind of a fresh aquatic floral smell to it. I can't really tell you if it's like a more candy. I will get back to you another day when I do not have the flu. Now, the moment that we have been actually waiting for. I don't know about you guys have been waiting for, but I know I've been waiting for this unboxing because I just kept putting it off. It's been in this box since like, I don't know, like the weekend after Christmas is when I got it. So it's been almost a month that I've been waiting to take these shoes out of the box and like actually get a look at them. Now, I did look at them. I did see them in the store. I actually physically tried these on because I was between a few different shoes. I was gonna get these other shoes and they were too tight in my size, and then I tried them a size up and they were still too tight. And then I was just like, you know what, screw it, I'm not gonna get these shoes. And you know, hindsight, I'm actually glad I didn't get those because they were the clear pink ones, and clear shoes are not really, they're not really in style anymore. It's like, you know, if you want to wear them, go ahead and wear them. Do your thing, girl. But it's just, they're not really in right now. So I'm glad that I got these. I think that these are just so stinking cute. Let me show you. Aren't these just so cute? And like the packaging, oh my goodness. You guys, so cute. So I love the packaging on this. I love that it came like a Barbie box kind of a thing. You know, like if Barbie was to go, if the Barbie dolls had their own, like you can buy them, like the shoes separately, I would imagine that they came in like little miniature boxes like this. This is just so cute. If Barbie had her own shoes that you can just buy separately, like build a Barbie. This is just so cute. Now, I mean, everything about this shoe is absolutely glam. Look at the bottom of this shoe. The bottom of the shoe is like full on glitter. I love it. I love it. And then one of the things that I loved about this shoe so much, well, there's two things. I loved that the heel were like these little clear hearts. I think that is just so unique. Like you just don't see that on any shoe. I think that is just so adorable. I don't have any shoes like that. I'm sure you don't have any shoes like that either, girl, okay? And then another thing that I loved is that it came with this cute little, I don't know if you guys can see it. It came with this cute little Barbie heart, or no, I'm sorry, Barbie initial charm. So there's a bee on there. So cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and unpackage these. Let's have a little ASMR moment to give my voice a break. So one of the things that I loved about this shoe is that it comes from Aldo's Pillow Walk line. If you haven't tried anything on Aldo's Pillow Walk line, girl, you're living life the wrong way, okay? The Pillow Walk line is so comfortable. It comes with this like extra padding. You can see it here. So the ball of the shoe and all of the parts, they're like extra squishy. So it makes the shoe super comfortable. Like, you know how you put those padded insoles in your shoe to make them a little bit more comfortable? So the Aldo Pillow Walk comes with that built into the shoe. So you can see it. This is just so satisfying to me. Like, I've wanted these shoes for so long, and they are finally mine, and I'm just so excited. I'm contemplating when's the first time that I'm gonna wear these. And here we are with the shoes. So cute. And here we are with the shoes. I think that they are just so cute. They have they are a pink iridescence, and I think they are showing up pretty true to color on camera. So that makes me very happy. I'm very satisfied with that. The glitter, however, the camera is not doing the glitter on these shoes any justice. I think it is just so beautiful. These shoes are just so glam. I love it so much. I can't wait to wear them. Now, one extra thing that I did get for these shoes are the outsole grips. This is to protect the glitter on these shoes, kind of like what you would put on a pair of Christian Louboutins, so that way you don't scratch off the red bottom. These have pink glitter bottoms, so you can put these clear grips on them just to keep it from getting messed up. I don't know how much is gonna help, but you know what? These shoes are gorgeous. So anything to keep the bottom of the shoe pink works for me. These also help so that way you don't fall and bust your butt in front of everybody while you're wearing these, you know. Not that the heel is high, but sometimes the outsole could be a little bit slippery, and you don't want to slip and hurt yourself in front of everybody. Let me make sure that I have it even. I wouldn't want to waste a pair of shoes because I didn't put them evenly. That seems about right. Super cute. I am just in love. Adorable. So let's go ahead and do a little try on. Why not, right? Let's go ahead and try these on. I did have some trouble putting these shoes on in the store because I felt like the strap for the buckle was too small. Like they didn't give enough lead for the ankle for me to tie it around my ankle. But we're gonna go ahead and try this again. That was a lot easier to do than it was in the store. It was still a struggle, but I think I had a much easier time with it than I did at the store. I'm a little bit out of breath, but that might be because I'm still coming down from the flu. You know, they should really consider other ways to make this more friendly, like chubby girl friendly, because having to bend over and get these shoes on, it's not for me. Okay, so they are on my feet. So cute. I'm gonna lower the camera so that way you guys can see how they actually look on. So these are the shoes. Super cute. I definitely feel like these are perfect shoes for a date night or to go to a party. They are super cute. They're not too high. They are a 4-inch heel. Whew, I am out of breath. So these shoes are just super cute. I'm loving the little heart detail. These are extremely cute and I can't wait to wear them. I'm like contemplating when should I actually wear these for my birthday, but my birthday is kind of far. I could wear them for Valentine's Day depending on where I'm going. My boyfriend is not much of a dress up type. But I think that if we go to a fancy dinner, I'm definitely gonna wear these. These are just so cute. Definitely the vibes that I love. Definitely my kind of vibe. I absolutely love 4-inch heel height. So these have a 4-inch heel height, so they're not too high. And then these straps here, they don't have any give, but they do not feel like they were digging into my feet at all. I do not have narrow feet. I would say they're not wide, but they're just kind of chunky a little bit, you know. And then they're just super cute. They wrap around the ankle, and I love that the heel is little hearts. I think that's so unique and unlike any shoe that I've ever seen before. Super, super cute. I didn't see these shoes or any of the shoes in the collection from in the actual Barbie movie, but that's okay. I think that these shoes are so cute. They're perfect for a girls' night out. They're perfect for a date night. You can definitely wear these for your birthday. I think that they are just so cute. All of the shoes in the collection were absolutely beautiful, but if I had to just get one shoe, it's definitely this one because this is just so cute and I love them. So thanks for watching today's video, guys. Definitely comment below which of the Barbie shoes from the Aldo collection are your favorite. And if you've ever gotten to smell this, can you let me know what it smells like because today I cannot. Thank you.